Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I've put together a generator video for you guys. I picked this thing up a couple years ago at a scratch and dent type place where it's been returned or is defective or damaged in shipment. The only thing that was wrong with it I could see was the handle was loose, and I got some screws and put that on there. Appeared to be in great condition. I pulled the plug in the store and it's appeared to be clean. So I checked things out before I took it home and risked buying something at a pretty significant discount for potentially not working, and it turned out just fine. I put some gas in it, fired right up, and it's been working great. I've never really used it for anything because I've got a Honda EU 2000 that I use for all my projects when I'm out and about. But this little guy is it's a two-stroke. They claim it's 2 horsepower. Rated for 800 watts, 900 max. It runs at 3600 RPM, which most of your gas-powered generators, your smaller ones, do. Your larger diesel sets run about 1800, and they still make the required frequency and voltage depending on your set there. So what I've done is I've hooked up one lead to a power distribution power strip here. I got a watt meter, amp meter, volt meter all together, and then from there I've got 3 different things hooked up. One is just a plain old 60 watt incandescent bulb there, and that's just to show you once we start putting a good load on it how it will affect your current there. And you'll see it dim down between this hair dryer and this portable space heater. We're going to take it up to the rated 800 watts, check the volts, see how many amps it's pulling and how many watts it's taking, and then we'll run it up to right at 900 and what it's the max rated, and you'll see that the volts come down to like 105 somewhere in there instead of being 110 plus where they should be. And we'll look at the frequency, and then we'll turn it way up, and you'll see this light come way down, very, very dim, and eventually it'll overload and it'll pop the breaker here. So you may or may not be able to hear what I'm saying once we fire this thing up, but if you can't, you'll understand what's going on because I just explained a little bit to you, and you'll see me adjusting things, and we'll go back and forth to the light and the meter here. So let's fire it up. Alright, all we've got running is a 60 watt light bulb here, and it's making 61 watts just like it should. Voltage showing 115, 116. Frequency is 60 hertz like it should be. So we'll turn on the space heater, the first notch here. You'll see a little fluctuation, but it comes back. Volts, 115, 560 watts, still pretty good frequency there. And we'll run this up to the next notch here. Let's see. So there's right at the 800. It's supposed to have 110 volts, close to 60 hertz. We'll just turn on just the fan here, the hair dryer. Turn it back off. So time we turn on just a little bit more, it's at its maximum. It comes down in voltage. Frequency comes down a little bit. So we'll run it up, put a high setting here on the actual heat. 7 watts is taking. There's 900, go back to the light. Dim down. Should tick off here in a second. There's 1,000. 1,090. So there's popping the breaker right here. Turn this stuff back off. And it resets and goes right back to working like it should. So for a fairly, inexpensive generator compared to the other ones, the Hondas, which I recommend everybody that's going to buy one to use on a continual basis pay the extra money, get the Honda. It's quiet, it's really energy efficient, and it's not as disrupting sound-wise. And the exhaust on here, even though it's 2-stroke, it does burn pretty clean. You can definitely tell it's there, and it's really loud compared to the Honda. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave me a note in the description down below. As always, please subscribe to my channel for more updates, for more videos to come. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.